Counting.
I don't know. Okay. 3, 8, 1, go. Wait. Ding.
Oh my god.
Okay, wait, hit your gloves, then I'll ding.
Okay, ready?
Okay, back up a little bit.
Oh my god.
Ding.
Okay, last time.
Oh my god. Okay, whoa, whoa, whoa. You guys are way out of the living room boundaries here. Hold up a second. Okay. Alright. A little bit of a sky view. Okay. Jesus, Murphy. Don't go out of the living room. Oh.
Oh my nuts. Ow.
Alright, that was pretty close to the CD case. I'm just saying.
I'm gonna throw up. Start counting.
1. No, okay, I think you made it to 10. That's TKO.
No. Hit you in the nuts? Yeah, you did.
Peace out. We're going to take a short break to give our sponsors some credit.
Okay.